In today's video, I am going to teach you how to join a live stream on Telegram. Whether it's a channel hosting a broadcast or a group running a video chat. The process is quick and simple once you know what to look for. I'll walk you through how to find the stream, join it confidently, and set yourself up so you can watch, listen, or participate when it's your turn. First, open the Telegram channel or group that's currently broadcasting. When a community is live, you'll see a colored bar pinned across the top of the chat window. In channels, it's labeled live stream. In groups, it appears as video chat. That banner is your cue that something is happening right now. If you don't see it, make sure you've scrolled to the top of the chat. It could also mean the broadcast hasn't started yet or has already ended. The banner looks slightly different on mobile and desktop, but it's always prominent and easy to spot near the header area. Next, join the broadcast by tapping the join button right inside that colored bar. One tap is all it takes. Telegram will connect you to the stream and you'll enter as a viewer or listener. If it takes a moment to load, give it a second. A stable internet connection helps ensure smooth audio and video. Once you are in, you are part of the live session and you can follow along in real time. If you want a heads up when a live broadcast begins, notifications can help. When notifications are enabled for that specific channel or group, Telegram will alert you as soon as the session goes live. This is especially useful for time-sensitive events, premieres, or Q&A sessions so you don't miss the start. After you've joined, configure your participation level. You can stay in listen-only mode, which is great if you are just there to watch or you are in a quiet place. If the administrator allows it, you can turn on your microphone and camera to contribute. Use the on-screen mic and camera controls to toggle them on or off. If you'd like to speak but don't have permission yet, raise your hand to request the floor. An admin will approve when it's your turn. A quick tip: keep your microphone muted until you are speaking to avoid background noise. And check your lighting and framing if you plan to turn on your camera. That's it. Thanks for watching.